Good morning. We welcome you to the course layer Java programming tutorial that set up our first introductory lecture. Well, a little bit about me. My name is Sajeel Ahmad. I'm a software engineering student with experience in Java, database, Python, C++ and JavaScript. Please watch this entire lecture irrespective of the knowledge you'll be having so that you can get info what to do in the whole series of YouTube channel. We'll be uploading our videos on Monday and Thursday every week, so stay tuned. We will be discussing general course information, how to get help during the course in this introductory lecture. Let's discuss some general tips for getting the best experience with this course. I speak at a steady, deliberate pace. Feel free to speed up the videos. Check for a speed icon on the bottom tab. If a video ever appears blurry, make sure to check that you are viewing the video in HD. Low internet connection can cause buffering, so better view it in suitable quality to reduce buffering. How to approach the course. The course is divided into sections, that is further divided into further sections. Each section can be visited independent of the others, but assumes knowledge of all concepts covered in previous lectures. As a general curriculum, we will be covering the serial-wise topics as stated below: Java ID setup, identifiers, expressions, statements, input using java.util, OOP, generics, Java graphics, lambda expressions, databases, using MySQL, networking programming. Then further, we don't assume any previous knowledge. You can take this course even if you have zero programming experience in your life. If you have experience, you can go to any tutorial by skipping previous tutorials. Beginners should follow through the course in order to get the most benefit from this lecture. More experienced developers should visit the curriculum page and decide what the best starting point for them is. Be honest with yourself, that's what really matters. How to get help in the course. Steps you should take to get help. Search Google and Stack Overflow. I will be uploading videos soon on how to get help from Google and Stack Overflow. That is matters. Comment below. Search Cura. Contact me at editor321@gmail.com. That's my email, and I will reply you whenever possible, as soon as possible. Useful way to share your code: adding it to text file, uploading it to your cloud, and then sharing this link with me or with any other person, a guest on GitHub, a screenshot. You can contact me with these details. General info. Replies can be expected within 24 hours. Still confused? Just continue mailing me and commenting below. You will get assisted by me. A final note: there are many ways to program. It includes choice of ID, styling, etc. Don't feel locked into the choices made in this course. Feel free to explore other options and share them as well. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video. Course layer out.